Series.Unique versus list of set performance. I have a pandas data frame with multiple columns. The aim is to find unique values in one of those columns. Two ways to achieve this are: get a list of set of that series, list, set, data, day. Get uniques using pandas' functions data, day.unique. In my trials, set method works faster. Is this true for most cases? Why and why not? Any other resources utilization implication? Please also add reasons to why either of them works better.
It will depend on the data type. For numeric types, pd.unique should be significantly faster. For strings, which are stored as Python objects, there will be a much smaller difference, and set will usually be competitive, as it is doing a very similar thing. Some examples.
It makes sense to use categorical type for the columns that have few unique values. Demo. Almost the same timing for 1m rows. Let's test category type. Update. 500 unique values in 1.000.000 rows df. Conclusion. It's always better to timeit on your real data. You might have different results.
The result seems to be varying highly on the number of unique entries. Here is some time testing on IPL dataset deliveries. For column match underscore ID with 577 unique IDs, unique seems to be very efficient. For column betting underscore team with 13 unique teams, list, set, slightly better here. Edit, trying to test the string theory. Running the same test on a string column batsman with 436 unique entries.
Do you want to support the channel? Please subscribe.